Tomorrow, Mahadeva talks about that technique only. Tomorrow he is giving you very powerful technique on inner healing. Anybody who carries so many wounds inside, don't miss tomorrow's discourse. He is giving you the technique to heal all problems which you carry from your childhood. People come and complain to me. I had very abusive childhood, disturbed childhood, disturbed past. Here Mahadeva is giving you the technique to heal the disturbed past. Let us see how he is helping us to fall into that fourth state, Samadhi, from these three states. When you want to do this technique, actually every night you can do this technique. It does not need a separate time. All of you are going to fall asleep every day. Every day you are going to fall asleep. It means every day you are going to jump from waking state to dream state or deep sleep state. Every day. That jumping movement itself, you can use it for enlightenment. If you try just for 1 month, I can promise at least one day you will have that click. It doesn't take more than 20-30 days. Maximum 20-30 days only. Every possibility, you can have the glimpse within 20 days. Within 20 days. First thing, switch off the light and get ready. Lie down completely. Rest in a complete relaxed way. Wait in a very passive way. Don't try to sleep. You can't actually try to sleep. Anyway, if you try to sleep, you will only postpone sleeping. You will only postpone sleeping. People come and tell me, Swamiji, I have sleeping disorder, I can't sleep. See, this country, so much of exploitation goes on in the name of sleeping disorder. No, really. No, really. Understand, first thing, if you are not falling asleep, your body does not need. That is why you are not falling asleep. You being taught that you need 8 hours sleep as a compulsory or 6 hours sleep, that's a first crime. Your body is much more intelligent than your doctors. Understand? No, really. Really. If your body does not fall asleep at particular time, it does not need. Then you may ask, no, working hours, it tries to fall asleep. Just take vacation for a few months, nothing wrong. Your body is much more important than your job. Now really I tell you, the best way to come out of sleeping disorders, don't decide to have continuously go on pills, no. Sleeping pills won't help you. Take 1 week or 1 month vacation, sleep whenever you feel like, wake up when you feel like. Within 20-30 days your body will fall in rhythm. That's the best way. I have healed thousands of people. Understand? When I talk, when I say all these things, I mean and I am responsible. And I am responsible. Understand? Your body is not income source for me. I have no vested interest. That is why I am telling you the truth as it is. You can't expect truth from the people for whom your body is an income source. Your body or mind is an income source for them. How can you expect truth from them? Forget about it. Let me be very clear. When I make these statements, I am responsible. In last 4 years of my public life, I have touched personally 1.2 million seekers. People who are initiated. If you see the people who are wearing the mala, if you are wearing the mala, you are among that 1.2 million. 1.2 million people around the world have been initiated. And at least 100,000 I have personally healed. With my experience, let me tell you, just decide, if you have a sleeping disorder, decide to have 1 month vacation. Don't even bother to cook. Just get your food from somewhere. Eat when you feel like eating. Sleep completely when you feel like sleeping. Your body will come back to its natural rhythm. You have disturbed your body's rhythm. That is why you are suffering with sleeping disorders. Sleeping pills won't cure you. That will only create one more addiction. One more addiction. If you don't feel like falling asleep, don't sleep. Over. When you feel like sleeping, just sleep. Over. If you are sleeping only 4 hours per day, be happy. Be happy, nothing wrong. But you are made to believe, if you don't sleep this many hours, you will have this problem, this and that. I tell you, it's a lie taught to you. Your unconscious is programmed. Let me tell you some basic business secrets. No, I am really giving you some basic business secrets. In the religion, before making you as a disciple, the so-called religious system first makes you feel guilty for something. Only if you feel guilty, you will obey. No, that is the basic truth. You will be made to feel guilt for something for which you are not responsible. Once you feel the guilt, you can be exploited. All system which exploits you teaches you something which is not natural to you. First thing, they will put that thought or the belief into your head. Into your head. Once you believe that logically, now you are ready to be exploited. Basic thing, you need this many hours of sleep is a lie taught to you. Your body is intelligent enough to decide how many hours sleep it needs and when it wants to sleep. In traditional yogic system, we have two things called Chandramana and Sauramana. Chandramana means people who will feel alive late night and who can't remain awake in the early morning. All modern day young kids. They are all Chandramanis. And another one thing, Sauramana. Sauramanis will sleep early. But after 8 o'clock in the night, they can't. They will say bye, goodbye. But early morning, 3 o'clock, they will be out. But these fools always, they force the kids also to do the same thing. They put little guilt also. Don't remain awake too late and don't sleep in the early morning. Nothing wrong. I tell you, Chandramani means people who remain late night, jumping and singing and dancing, who sleep early morning will be very intelligent. They will be very intelligent. Chandramanis will be very sharp. Shiva is basically Chandramani. Shiva is basically Chandramani. See, be very clear. Don't have guilt about your sleeping time and all those things. You having a guilt about your sleeping time is the first problem. Then you start believing you have a sleeping disorder. You are now ready to be exploited by the bed number, sleep number. I was shocked. What all nonsense goes on? No, really. Some sleep number, some this bed, that bed, this pill, that pill, and so many nonsense. Now, in my whole life, I never had a problem. See, when I stretch my hand, eating. When I stretch my leg, sleeping. Over. Now, that is what I know as life. When you stretch your hand, sleeping, eating. When you stretch your leg, sleeping. Over. Instead of making the whole thing such a simple, you are taught to believe you have some disorder, only then you will be ready to be exploited. Understand? If you don't fall asleep, perfectly all right. Just remain awake, lie down. Don't try to sleep. You trying to sleep will never help you. That's a first mistake. That is a first mistake. Never believe you have some disorder. Let you save yourself. Let you save yourself. These are all few basic important truths. How to protect yourself. No, really. How to protect yourself? Consciously, so much of damage is done to people by teaching lies, by teaching wrong things, by telling, by forcing the idea that you are abnormal. That is the first sin. When you start believing unconsciously you have a sleeping disorder, then you will connect all your problems with that. All your problems with that. And anything, you will start connecting to that. See, once you believe that you have some Ragu dosha, Kedu dosha or Sanigraha, even your small accident or somebody coming and hitting your car, you will blame that Shani, poor fellow. He did not pay to that the other person and tell, hey, go and hit his car. Some accident also, you will blame that poor guy who is sitting somewhere who is not even aware of what is happening with you. The God becomes a dustbin for you. Anything which you don't want, dump it on his head. That's a problem. Anyhow, use this technique. This will be a very powerful technique. Not only to heal your sleeping disorders, it can take you beyond sleep. It can take you beyond sleep. Let me tell you, from my experience, hardly I sleep 2 to 3 hours. If you come and live around me, you will understand. I rest my body 2 to 3 hours. Not only just me, 150 of my swamis don't sleep more than 4 hours per day. I have 150 of my swamis who are from 14 to 80. From 14 to 80, I have swamis, 88, sorry, not even 80, 88. They don't sleep more than 4 hours. And it is just because I give them the clear understanding whether they are Chandramani or Sauramani, whether they are sun oriented or moon oriented. All you need to understand is which one makes you feel comfortable, sun oriented or moon oriented. Just adjust your routine, over.